How far is the nearest star? In miles your car could never finish. Astronomers skip the odometer and use a light year, the distance light travels in one Earth year through empty space. Myth: a light year measures time, how long ago we see something. Wrong. It is a ruler for distance. Light's constant speed times 1 year, one clean unit for galaxy maps. Light in vacuum moves about 186,000 miles each second, fast enough to circle Earth 7 times per blink. Hold that speed steady 1 year, and you have 1 light year, about 6 trillion miles. Scale bars help. Sun to Earth is 8 light minutes. Warmth on your face left the sun minutes ago. Pluto is light hours away. Deep space thinks in light years like cities use kilometers. Proxima Centauri, nearest star after the Sun, sits about 4.2 light years away. Its light left years ago. You read a 4-year postcard across the void, not a live broadcast. The Milky Way spans roughly 100,000 light years across. At highway speed, you would need longer than the universe's age to cross it. Light years compress impossible journeys onto one planetarium poster. Telescopes gather old light from far galaxies. Look-back time is a separate idea. The unit on the map stays distance, how far the signal traveled, not a kitchen clock. Nearby stars are measured with parallax. Earth's orbit gives 2 viewpoints 6 months apart. Farther stars use standard candles on the same light-year ladder. One system, many rungs. The twist: the universe expands. Distant light stretches and redshifts on the journey. Far photons crossed billions of years while space widened beneath them. Distance and look-back time tangle at the cosmic edge. Find Orion's belt on a clear night. Mintaka is about 900 light-years out, light that began when Vikings sailed. One constellation, many depths stacked in light-years. Recap: a light-year is distance, not time. Light's speed times 1 year, about 6 trillion miles. Nearby stars a few light-years away, galaxies billions. 6 light-years means 6 years of travel, not 6 years old. Next on Space Sketch: why ocean water climbs the beach twice a day, and the moon is only half the story.